In this practical example we will add profiles to the grid created in the previous example, and edit them using the commands studied during the course. With the drawing open, let's get started. First we will create a specific layer for metal profiles, follow up. Next, we will configure the profiles for the pillars. We access the settings, leave the format pattern as DIN, search the list for a square format that has 300 mm sideways, and choose the profile. In the material standard, we use ASTM, and as a material, steel A36. We leave the other settings as the default and confirm the box by clicking OK. We activate the member command and insert the pillars. Remembering that with escape we left the command, with enter we return to it, and leaving the snap enabled, we facilitate the positioning. Let's now set up the profiles of the rafters, keep track. Done this, we activate the command member. We begin the insertion of the beams. See the result after all the beams inserted. We will now configure the bracing profiles, which will be done by cables. We pick the cable and confirm the box. We change the visualization to line model, for easy insertion into the structure. We activate member and make the insertion. Alright, now we have all the profiles inserted. With the cutting tools, we will trim the profiles. We start with the command miter cut member, follow up. Then we use the command cutback member, selecting first the boundary profile and then the profile that will be cut, follow up. See the structure with the profiles inserted and trimmed. We conclude this practical example, where we review the insertion of profiles and the use of cutting commands.